Hello everyone, I am going to go through a part of my wardrobe to show you all how I reorganise my wardrobe. So it takes a long time. As you know, I went through all my storage stuff. I brought in what I wanted to reintroduce into my wardrobe out of my storage, and then I have uploaded the things that I want to sell onto eBay and Vestiaire, and I've given away a whole big chunk of it as well. So for me it's quite a long process, ongoing. When I was younger I used to do it all in one go. I would block out a week or a couple of weeks and I would just plow through. I feel like as I've got older I just don't have that ability to do that, so I just take my time and do it bit by bit. Now I was going to do this on a live so that you could ask me questions as we go, but I've changed my mind and I've decided that I'm gonna pre-record it and you can ask questions in the comments. But do let me know if you would have liked to see this in a live, because I'm not going to do it all now, so I could do more live with you all at another time. As you can see, there are sections to my wardrobes. Today I'm going to go through the coats, and the first thing that I do is pull all those coats out, put them on this rail, and then decide if I'm keeping them, if they're going to go into storage, and I'll think about it at another time because I'm not wearing them, or if I know that they don't fit and they're definitely going to be sold, or I have a friend that I know wants it, otherwise it goes to charity. That's what we're going to do now. And just so you can see, this is where my coats are. I do have more coats which are in the guest room that I put in the wardrobe in there, but we're just going to do this section for today. Halfway through and I've got to say my arms are aching. I have emptied all my coats out of that small little space. I do like to put my long coats in here. So I might just leave out my shorter coats so that I can reposition them into one of the other areas. So once I've gone through all the areas of my wardrobe, I will reorganize what the purpose of those areas are. Now the next thing that I do is I take any shoes that I've got that were underneath and I clean the whole section so that it's ready for me to put my coats back in there. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back. Great, so I have cleaned that now. Time for the important part, sippity.
Yes, very nice. On with the mission!
Sometimes I colour coordinate my wardrobe, sometimes I do it by length. Today I'm going to do it by length, which means it will go from the longest coat to the shortest coat. There are coats in here that I know that are probably too small and that I want to get rid of, so I'm going to take those out first. This beautiful Escada coat, I know is too small for me now. It still looks great, but I can just feel my biceps screaming to get out. So it's time for it to go, unfortunately, into the sale pile. We had fun. Everything that's gonna go out of my wardrobe room I'm gonna put on the back of the rail. Then I've got jackets, which these two short furry jackets, which really shouldn't be hung here. They should be in the shorter pile, so I'm gonna put those on the back to relocate them, but I'm keeping them. Then I have cardigans, which don't necessarily feel like they should be hung here. I don't actually like hanging knitwear, so I might rethink about how I store these. I think I probably would like to store them folded down, which means looking for a drawer space. Just make sure that I still want this. Yes, I do. I still really like it, and you can wear it two ways. So you can wear it this way, or you can wear it upside down like that. Kind of clever. It's going to get folded down as well. I just hear the static on him. I think I might sell this cardigan. I have worn it quite a lot, but I don't know, I just feel like it's kind of time to say goodbye to him. What do you all think? Is it time to say goodbye to this cardie? I'm going to put him in the storage room because I'm really thinking about letting him go. And then am I keeping him? This is a J. Crew coat. I feel like maybe I need to put on a pair of shoes. I'm just going to pop on a pair of boots so that I can have a better idea. I think I might keep this one. I do like it, and it's roomy enough. It's not too small for me. Live another day. Staying. This might be time for me to say goodbye. I absolutely love it. Wish that I'd bought it in a bigger size, because again, it just feels a bit tight. When I bought it, I was much smaller. The only thing is I do have a pair of trousers that are literally the same colour, and I love it for that, but yeah. It's going to go into storage. Then I will think about it a bit more. I have these two coats. I wear this one much more. I do love this orange one. I tend to wear it with my silver trousers, which always looks amazing under it. But I'm not wearing it as much as I used to. It might be time to say goodbye to him. Oh, I don't know. It's so cute, isn't it? I was going to change the buttons, which I think would probably look quite nice. Not sure about this one. I literally just went and showed my husband. I said to him, do you think I should get rid of this because I wear the brown and white one more? And he said he prefers this. which I didn't appreciate. I do really like it, but now I feel like they both have to stay because now he's making me feel like I'll make a mistake if I get rid of him. This one I just adore. How can he say that? That one's better. How does he make his mind up about these things? I love this coat. Anyway. Now, I did take this out of storage because it's another one that is a little bit too small for me. I love this coat and it's actually fine with a slim top like this on, but I tend to wear it with jumpers and then it's too small because right now my arms aren't screaming to burst out of it. They're fine. But if I put a jumper on, then it's a different scenario. So I just don't wear it. I think I'm going to put this back in storage with a view of selling. Once things go back into storage, anything I know that I'm definitely going to sell, I will take pictures off and put it up on eBay or Vestiaire straight away before I come back in and start doing another section so that I've just got that bit out of the way. This mat is a really oversized mat which I do love, but I feel like I need to really make a choice between this one and this one, and I really like this one, so not that I have to make a choice, but I just feel like there's too many coats packed in here and I don't need them all. I love this little yellow detail underneath. It's quite cool because it doesn't crease. It's one of those things that you can just roll it up, stuff it in your bag if you have to. For now, I'm going to put it in storage, have a think about it. This one I think I'm going to keep. Again, it's oversized, which is a bit of a trend with my trench coats and Max. I really like them oversized, but I also really like making this one into a dress. I think it looks so cool. We will keep this one in the wardrobe. This jacket I'm toing and froing with getting rid of. I wear it a lot because it's one of the only smart long black jackets that I have. I just feel like until I get another one, I should hold on to this. So I will. But it's that kind of material that picks everything up and it drives me insane, which is the only reason why I'm really thinking about getting rid of it. So anyway, it can stay. Yeah, I'm mostly done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick the longest coats, put them at the back and work my way through to the shortest coats. So there, I'm very happy with how this is looking now. And I do have these two coats as well, which are kind of a similar size, but I feel like the space for them is not here. So I'm going to relocate them in my wardrobe to a different space. Now I'm off to put the other bits in storage and upload the things that need to go for sale. I hope you enjoyed it, and do let me know if you would like me to show you the other bits as I go around my wardrobe and reorganize each section bit by bit. Have a good day and stay stylish. Bye.